In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to turn plain text into a clickable link from your phone, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in the Google Docs mobile app. Start by opening the Google Docs app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your files so everything is ready to go. Next, open the document where you want the link to live. You can pick it from your recent files or search for the title, whatever gets you into the page you want to edit. Once the document is open, switch into editing mode by tapping the edit icon, the small blue pencil, down in the corner. You'll know you're in edit mode when the keyboard can appear and the toolbar becomes active. Now select the exact text you want to become a hyperlink. Double tap a word to highlight it, then drag the little selection handles to include the full phrase, sentence, or label you want linked. Keep it concise and descriptive so readers know what they're clicking. With the text selected, tap the plus icon at the top right of the screen and choose Link. This opens a small panel where you can set the link details. Paste your URL into the link field. You can also type it manually if you need to. If you copied the address earlier, your phone will usually offer a paste suggestion so you can drop it in quickly. Right below, you'll see the text field. This controls what shows in the document. Feel free to tweak it. For example, change a long web address into a short, meaningful label like project plan or source article. Clear, readable link text keeps your document clean and accessible. When everything looks good, save your changes by tapping the check mark or the Done button in the top right. The selected text should now appear as a link, typically underlined and in a different color. If you tap it once, you'll see a small preview with an option to open the link, which is a handy way to double-check you pasted the correct address without leaving your document. And that's it. You launched the app, opened your document, switched to edit mode, highlighted your text, inserted a link, customized the display text, and saved. Use the same process for emails, documents, and references to keep your writing tidy and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching, and happy linking.